Good good day, guys. Good day. Good day, guys. Today SQL aliases. SQL aliases are used to give a table or a column on a table a temporary name. Aliases are often used to make column names more readable. An aliases only exists for the duration of that query. An alias is created with the as keyword. Select customer ID as ID from customers. Okay, let's try. Run SQL ID. Nice, pretty good. Okay, go next. As is optional. Actually, oh, actually, in most database languages, you can skip the as keyword and get the same result. Select customer ID from customers. Interesting. Run and we see. Oh, it's work. Okay. Since when alias is used on a column, select column name as alias name from table name. Column name as alias name, table name. When alias is used on table, select column name names from table name as alias name. Or when alias is used on table, on column on table. Okay, let's do it. Demo database below is selection customers and orders. The customers and orders tables used in the examples. Customers, orders. Okay, alias from columns. The following SQL statement creates two aliases, one for the customer ID column and one for the customer name column. Example: select customer ID as ID, customer name as customer from customers. Let's try. ID customer. It's more readable. Okay, let's next. Use analysis with a space character. If you want your alias to contain one or more spaces, like migrate products, surround your alias with square brackets or double quotes. Using square brackets for aliases with space characters. Select product name as migrate products. Migrate products from products. Okay, let's try. It's work. Okay, next. Using double quotes for aliases with space characters. Use double quotes. Double quotes and square brackets we use. No, some database systems allows both square brackets and double quotes, and some only allows one of them. Okay, it's maybe work. Concatenate columns. The following SQL statement creates an alias named address that combine four columns: address, postcode, city, and country. Select customer name, address, like whoa. select customer name, address, plus code, plus space, city, plus home space, plus country as address from customers. How it works? Customer name, address, name, address. Whoa. Plus postcode. Postcode. Interesting. This where is it? Customer address, customer name, customer address, plus it's all for address. It's all for address. I know. Okay. Let's go back. Now, to get the SQL statement above to work in MySQL, use the following: customer name, concat address, MySQL. It's simple SQL. No, to get the SQL statement above to work in Oracle, use the following. Whoa. Address, postcode, as address. Oh, it's crazy. Alias for tables. Alias for the same rules applies when you wanted to use an alias for a table. Oh, I forgot. Yeah. Alias for tables. The same rules applies when you want. Oh. Okay, let's continue. So, alias for tables, the same rules applies when you want to use an alias for a table. Refer to the customer's table. Refer to the customer's table as persons instead. Refer to the customer's table as a person instead. Okay. Okay. It's for table. What difference? Simple past. It might seem useless to use alias on tables, but when you are using more than one table in your queries, you can make the SQL statements shorter. The following SQL statement selects The following SQL statement selects all the orders. Statement selects all the orders from the customer with customer ID 4 equal 4 around the horn. We use the customers and orders tables and give them the table aliases of C and O respectively. Here we here we use aliases to make the serial shorter. Select or order ID or order data. C customer name from customers as C, orders as O. Whereas dot customer name equal around the horn and C dot customer ID equal O dot customer ID. Okay. Go next. The following SQL statement is the same as above, but without aliases. Yes, less readable. Aliases can be useful when there are more than one table involved in a query. Involved in a query. Functions are used in the query. Column names are big or not very readable. Column names are big or not very readable. Column names. Column names are big or not very readable. Two or more columns are combined together. In which SQL statement creates an alias for the customer ID column as ID. Which SQL statement creates an alias? SQL statement creates an alias for the customer ID column as ID. Customer ID. Yes. What is the primary purpose of SQL aliases? To permanently rename a table or column. Permanent. To create temporary names for columns or tables. Yeah. Oh no. When displaying the customer's table, make an alias of the postcode column. The column should be called panel instead. Select customer name, address, postcode from customers. P&L, SPNL. Okay, next. When displaying the customers table, the customers table refer to the table as consumers instead of customers. Okay, consumers. Next. And dragging up as a correct syntax to create an analysis for product name as great products. Oh, yes. Okay, guys, congratulations and go next.